Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. So to keep it very simple, we continue to have the perspective that against the 26.4 cent level, which is the key support down here, key Fibonacci support in any pullback, there are two different structures for possible pullbacks that we are observing. I shared that with you yesterday. The wave counts haven't changed since then. It's basically one wave count, but two different ways of how it can subdivide. So what we essentially are watching for here is in the first count, again, it's both part of the same wave structure, wave count. In both counts, we assume a third wave could be unfolding in a diagonal. Within this third wave, we either have an A, B, C structure in wave A. We're now coming down in a B wave pullback, which should be an A, B, C structure. And we should see a reaction to the orange box in wave A, then rally in wave B. If the rally is corrective, we should see a C wave break down into the yellow support box between 26.4 cents and 32.5 cents. And then if the pullback is a three wave move, and we're holding 26.4 cents, then the C wave later should follow through to the upside into the 50 cent region, maybe even a little higher. This is the first wave count. In the alternative subdivision, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in wave A. The reason is A waves can be 3 waves or 5 waves, and then we should get the ABC pullback and then the C wave rally. So the question is just, does the C wave start from here already? Yeah. No, 1 second. Does the C wave start after the B wave is finished, or are we still in the A wave? So that's basically they are basically the two main levels that we're watching here. That box is for the B wave. That box is for a wave 4, which would still lead to a wave 5 to finish A, and then the B wave follows later. So it would just be a bit delayed. Hope that is understood. So basically that gives us two support levels to watch, support ranges. Starting at 35 cents, the price already reacted to it. Shared that with you yesterday. Could this be all of wave 4? Yes, but it would be a bit shallow, to be honest. So also here I'd like to see a little bit more of a clearer wave 4, but we'll see. This is the first support. Then we've got a cluster of support here around 32.5 cents and then 30.7 cents. This is where probably there is good support because we have an overlap of these support boxes. And then we've got basically 29 cents as well, overlap. And below that still 26.4 cents, but that would be quite deep. So against 26.4 cents, the focus is on higher. We just need to see how the subdivisions develop. Either wave 4, wave 5, then A, B, C in wave B, then go, or now A wave, B wave, C wave, and then go. Only below 26.4 cents, I will have to change the higher level assumption, and new bear market lows will be very high on the agenda. Yeah. So now we have seen a first reaction here. Yeah, it's too small to say what this is. Again, could already be the A wave. Then we might see a B wave rally. If the next rally is corrective, it's likely going to send us down in wave C. Or this could also just be the A wave of wave 4. As you can see, it doesn't matter so much. It doesn't make so much of a difference. The only thing is the deeper we go, the better the reward to risk ratio for any long trades, of course. So there's plenty of support left. Yeah, it still allows, also the wave 4 scenario allows for a deep wave 4. So primary expectation at this stage would be, if we have started wave 4 or B, then we should see in any rally only a corrective rally, which should lead to another sell-off. If we already escalate higher from here, then I'd say that it would be a bit too small for wave 4. Would prefer to see a bit of a clearer wave 4. But maybe, okay, I would say, you know, if we escalate higher from here, it touched our support area, then I would count that first as wave 5. But I would also prefer to see a little bit of a clearer wave 4. Typically, the 38.2 retracement level is an ideal one. But we'll see. I mean, the support area was acted on, yeah. And if we now see a break above 39.5 cents, yeah, it's likely wave 5 already. Okay, but then I would count that as A, all of A. Yeah, it's just always desirable to have a clear and healthy wave 4 that gives us more clarity, because any shallow pullbacks, you know, it leaves a lot of room for interpretation. But anyway, overall against 26.4 cents, we are focusing on higher. Primary scenario would be for it to come down a little lower in wave 4. Yeah, or generally in this correction. Could be the B wave as well. But above the 39.5 cent level, I would count it still as wave 5 of A. Overall, both counts are bullish. Both counts are bullish, and we're just watching here correction play out at the moment, a short-term correction, which should then eventually still lead to higher prices as long as we're holding 26.4 cents. That should give you plenty of parameters and levels to watch, should give you a good idea of the current trend and the relevant invalidation points. That's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.